Hello everyone. Today I'd like to share a topic titled Dynamics and Regulation of Maternal-Fetal Interface Macrophages, from immune tolerance to pregnancy outcomes. Pregnancy is a finely tuned immunological balancing act. The mother must tolerate the fetus, which carries paternal antigens and could be recognized as foreign, while still maintaining enough immune defense against pathogens. This balance is orchestrated at the maternal-fetal interface, where macros account for about 20 to 30% of decidual immune cells. These cells phagocytose pathogens and apoptotic cells, and secrete cytokines and growth factors that regulate embryo implantation, placental vascular remodeling, and local immune tolerance. Because they are highly plastic, macrophages can switch between a pro-inflammatory M1 phenotype and an anti-inflammatory or tissue-repairing M2 phenotype, and this dynamic polarization is critical for a successful pregnancy. The main highlights of this review can be summarized in 4 points. First, it systematically charts the temporal changes in macrophage numbers and functions at the maternal-fetal interface across early, mid, and late pregnancy, showing that these cells undertake different tests at different stages. It integrates multiple regulatory mechanisms including TREX, IL-10 TGF, beta signaling, PRR TLR4 pathways, TEM receptors, metabolic reprogramming, and non-coding RNAs to construct a relatively comprehensive network controlling macrophage polarization. The authors emphasize that when the M1-M2 balance is disrupted, or when macrophage-mediated clearance of apoptotic cells is impaired, various adverse pregnancy outcomes can occur, such as recurrent miscarriage, placental insufficiency, fetal growth restriction, and preterm birth. Finally, the review proposes that targeting PPR, gamma, IL-10, the MERTK-MFG8 axis, as well as using miRNAs and LNCRNAs to fine-tune macrophage polarization, may provide new therapeutic strategies for pregnancy-related disorders. The figures help visualize these concepts. Figure 1 shows how macrophage polarization shifts along the timeline from implantation to late pregnancy. Figure 2 depicts macrophages as a central hub connecting immune tolerance with angiogenesis at the maternal-fetal interface. Figure 3 illustrates how pathogens and other external stimuli activate macrophages via receptors such as TLR4, and how excessive or prolonged activation can break immune tolerance and lead to pregnancy complications. In summary, this review brings together cellular, molecular, and metabolic evidence to underscore the central role of maternal-fetal interface macrophages in determining pregnancy outcomes. It not only deepens our understanding of conditions such as recurrent miscarriage, placenta-related disorders, preterm birth, but also provides a conceptual basis for developing future macrophage-targeted immunomodulatory therapies. I hope this brief overview will help you follow the PPT more easily and grasp the main storyline and clinical implications of this review. Thank you for your attention.